What is going on, you guys? Now, I just bought this tool that's gonna make designing these cars a whole lot more easier with measurements now. Yup, that's right, we're leveling up. So, this tool here, boom. This tool here, I don't know the name of it, but the text will be popping up the name of the tool anyway. So, this will give me the exact measurements of how wide a model is so that we can work out what the centre of the car is, so that we can centre the stripes and stuff, you know. We're going to do that on all the models now. It just takes practice and patience and stuff. So without further ado, let's work out this measurements for this car. Well guys, we have a diagram now. We're going to continue working on this car for quite some time. How long has it been? I would say it's been at least 5 months on consistently working on her, trying to get her perfect, but we keep making mistakes. But it's all about the process. So here is the diagram here. Now if I grab, don't mind the mess, hang on. So now we have this measuring tool. By the way, it's so freaking good. So the last video I got 36 for the length of the roof. For the width it was 50 millimeters. Yeah, 50 millimeters. Well, the last time I got 50.6 millimeters, and now I'm getting 50.85. Okay, so let's actually, no, we need the width of the roof. Hang on, if I loosen you up, tighten you like that, boom. Right, so now we have the exact measurement of the width of the roof. So the center is probably going to be roughly one of these lines here. So we are going to draw on the actual Audi diagram and mark where the lines are going to go. So let's get that underway. So perfect. Woo! Yes. Right, let's grab you. Grab you as well. Right, so I need to grab, I've got a magnifying glass, so I need to grab that to make life easier. Nope. Okay. It must be in here then. Aha, here we are. Here we are. Right. So, so pretty much dead center there. So if I grab the ruler and make it straighter, put my pencil on there. So the line is here. That's the center of the car. But at the same time, it doesn't look center. So it's the next line down from the 0.5 mark. So I mark, hang on, if I bring you closer, if I mark here, and then put pencil there, boom, Right, that line, that's actually perfect. That's... Yo! Woo! Right, so we found this is the center stripe. Now, we just need to measure the actual stripe on the instruction. Yeah, let's get the time-lapse mode. Let's do this, guys. Okay, so now we have a starting point. We have the width of the first stripe. Now each stripe is the same width coming off the center stripe from center to right, from center to left. That's what we're doing on this diagram to give us an idea on how we can measure the actual stripe on the actual model. I will see you guys in that video. See ya!